In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create anchor links in Squarespace. Anchor links are a fantastic way to guide your site's visitors directly to specific sections of a longer page, ensuring they can easily find the information they need. It's not just a highly useful tool, it's also incredibly straightforward once you know how. So let's get started. First, you'll need to log into your Squarespace account. You might be presented with a few login options, so go ahead and click on Continue with Google if that's your usual method. Once you're logged in, you'll see a list of your websites. Simply click on your desired website to get into the editing mode. Once you've navigated to the correct website, look for the Edit option in your dashboard. Clicking on Edit will take you into a mode where you can begin making changes to your site. Here, we want to add a block to the page where you wish the anchor link to direct visitors. To do this, click on Add Block. Next, you'll be given a choice of different types of blocks that you can add to your page. Pick the code block from the options, as this will allow you to write the HTML needed to define an anchor link destination. You'll see a little pencil icon appear. Clicking on this icon will let you access the code. Now, you'll need to type in a short script to identify the code block as the destination for your anchor link. This involves adding a unique ID within the code block, which your hyperlink will reference. With that step complete, move back to your page content and navigate to the text that you want to serve as your anchor. Click the pencil icon again, which gives you access to highlighting and additional editing options. Now, highlight the specific text you want to link to your anchor destination. Once highlighted, you'll see a small chain link or URL icon pop up. Click on it. This action prompts the URL field where you'll input your anchor reference. Here is where you type in #your ID. In our example, you'd use #blogspot. After you've linked your text, click Save. Don't worry if you're feeling unsure, there's a preview option that helps you see all your changes and test the link. You can check to make sure that everything functions as expected. And that's it, you've successfully created an anchor link on your Squarespace site. These types of links are especially useful for long form content, and your readers will definitely appreciate how easy it is to navigate your site. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to check out our other videos for more Squarespace tips and tricks. Happy editing!